Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. First of all, check the AC thoroughly, then turn off the main supply of the AC and start opening the AC. After this, remove the AC filter net. After that you open all the 3 screws in front of the AC. After that, open the swing flap with light hands and take it out. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very weak. After that, open the front cover and remove it. After that, open the wiring cover and remove it. After that, lift the lock above the main cover and take out the cover. After that, if you want, wrap polythene or plastic in the power circuit board. Do not let water go into the PCB when the AC is washed with water. And it would be better if you open the power circuit and take it out. It will be very safe. After that, to clean the AC with water, put a waterproof cover in the AC. The waterproof cover should be properly applied, and the waste pipe of the waterproof cover should be put in the bottom bucket so that the dirty water of the AC goes into the bucket. Now you start cleaning the blower with a jet pump presser and clean until the blower is clean. By cleaning the blower, the airflow of your AC will increase a lot. Your AC will work like a brand new one. Now you start cleaning the cooling coil. You must clean your AC with a jet pump. This makes the AC work like a new one, and the electricity bill is also very low, and your AC will cool your room very quickly. This AC was smelling a lot before servicing. I have used 1 to 2 mugs of surf water in it to remove the smell. Now that surf water and cooling coil will have to be cleaned a little more. Keeping in mind the water pressure, too much pressure can damage your AC's cooling coil things. Now the cooling coil and blower are completely clean. Now wash the plastic cover from the AC with the help of a jet pump. Now wash the whole parts with the help of brush and washing powder surf. The fun of washing with a brush is something else. With the brush you can remove the dust of the corner and where your hand does not reach, you can clean it with a brush. All the waste has been removed from the brush. Now it is cleaned with a jet pump. After washing the plastic body of the AC, wipe or dry the entire cover with a dry cotton cloth. Now wipe the indoor unit of AC well with cotton cloth. Now I am installing the AC's swing motor as I opened. Now you also put the PCB. Keep in mind that first you wipe the AC well. Tighten the wire of the outdoor unit as well. Now you can also apply the main cover above. It is very easy to put the main cover, just press it from the top to sit the lock above it. Now you put all 3 screws on it and tighten it. Now you can also tighten its wiring cover. Now put its front cover and filter net too. Now you can also apply both its swing flaps. Keep in mind that this swing strip is very delicate, can also break while applying. Now we will clean the outdoor unit with a jet pump. It is very important to clean the outdoor unit in AC servicing. We do not get the outdoor unit cleaned in a hurry. Looking at the outdoor unit coil clearly visible but does not happen. The dust is stuck in it. When you clean it with a pressure, the dust will come out. Keep in mind that do not wash the outdoor unit with water from the front. If there is a fan motor in front, then pay some attention. If there is a lot of dust in your AC's outdoor unit, even then your AC will not cool properly, then you should stay in front and get the AC serviced. Hope you understand the information given by me, then definitely like my video.